Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do some deep French smile line nails using all acrylic. So if you want to see how I did these nails, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my EC basket nails. You guys know these are one of my favorite nail types. I do get them from Amazon and I will have them linked below for you guys. So these are what the nails look like once I put them on. I did trim them down just a tiny bit. So for acrylic, we're going to be using our Young Nails Cover Pink, which is one of my favorites. Love, love, love Young Nails acrylic. So I'm just starting off by applying the acrylic onto the nail. I'm working with, I will say, medium-sized beads, and I'm using my Pana number 8 oval Kolinsky brush. So to create your smile line, you just want to go ahead and apply your acrylic a little bit less than halfway down the nail. And you want to try to shape it into like a round shape. It depends what kind of smile line you're trying to do. But this was my first nail, so it took me a little while to get my shape going. But you can always add more acrylic if you need to. The one thing I do suggest, which I didn't do and ended up biting me in the butt later, which is these sides of that really small bead. Don't do a bunch of those because when you go to file it later, you can kind of see the inconsistencies in the acrylic application. I'll show you guys later on in the video what I'm talking about, but I would say just do one large size bead, make your smile line, and then put a smaller bead at the cuticle area, and then that's it. You don't want to do too many small ones. I'll show you guys later what I'm talking about. I think what really helped me create these smile line nails is warming up my acrylic. Shout out to Kiana. She sent me a tweet that some girl put on Twitter about warming up her acrylic and how it really helps her out. So I tried it. All I did was put my acrylic in my jar and then put my jar inside a bowl with warm water. And then you guys, it just made it so much easier to work with the acrylic. I'm not sure why I haven't done this sooner, but if you haven't tried it and you're struggling with your acrylic, give it a shot. When I tell you it will change your life, maybe I'm just the one that's late to the party. Let me know down below if you guys know about this warming up your acrylic thing, because I might just be late to the party, but I'm telling you, game changer. I'm going to just do this with all my acrylic applications. I just think it's going to make my process so much easier. So yeah, so I'm just going in and just perfecting my smile line. Of course, it doesn't have to be too perfect right now because we are going to go in and file it later. But yeah, I'm just going in with all of my beads and trying to get the perfect smile line. And also, I'm trying to make the nails thick enough too. I'm just learning, okay? You guys know I haven't really done acrylic in a long time, so I'm a little rusty, but I'm getting back there. I did use colored acrylic in this video, and we'll get to that a little later in the video. And I think I just fallen in love with acrylic again. Like, I just want all the colors. So stay tuned to my channel if you guys want to see more acrylic videos, because it just lit a spark in me to try different acrylics. So these are what the nails look like so far, and you guys can see the shape going already. They look really good. I just can't believe how easy this was. For some reason in my head, I just thought it would be so much harder. I did try, if you guys remember, I think it's like my wifey nails. I can't really remember, but I posted a video a long time ago, and I attempted to do a smile line in that video, and it was just a fail. But something about this was just so easy for me, and I'm just obsessed. So if you guys want to see more smile line videos, let me know. But I'm probably going to do it anyway because I just think it looks so classic, so neat. And yeah, I'm just obsessed, you guys. I just can't believe how good I'm getting. Let me know down below if you guys think I'm getting good. I think I'm getting good, especially because it's been a while since I've done acrylic and I was able to do this. And it just looks so cute, so flawless. So of course we got to go ahead and shape it. So I'm going to go in with my Young Nails 100 grit file, and I'm going to go ahead and just shape the nail and just perfect that smile line so it's nice and neat, because if it's not nice and neat later after you have all your acrylic applied and you file it, it's going to show and it's going to look really bad. So yeah, so I just went ahead and did that to all of the nails because it would have been really repetitive doing it on camera. So I'm trying a new acrylic. This is a black owned business and it's by Plugged, and I have mine in the color Fine Wine. Kiana did get me this for Christmas, so shout out to her. And I'm going to go ahead and use this in this video today to create my smile line nails. So this color is bomb. That's the first thing. The color is really good. As you guys can see, you can see the difference in this acrylic and the Young Nails acrylic. This acrylic is really, I don't want to say it's runny. it takes a really long time to dry. I had a bead and I put it on the napkin just to see how long it would take to dry, and it was about 2 minutes, you guys, which is a really long time. The color is super pigmented and it wasn't too bad to work with, but just keep that in mind that this does take really long to dry. But other than that, I love the color. The pigmentation was there, but sometimes you ain't got all day waiting for it to dry. So this is what it looks like after I applied the acrylic. It looks kind of wonky right now, but once we go in and file it, everything's just going to come together. So I'm just working with medium-sized beads. I'm trying to work fast because, like I said, this acrylic was different. You guys can see how different it is compared to my Young Nails acrylic. But this is really my first time trying color acrylic. So let me know down below if this is just how it works for color acrylic, if they're all like this. So these are what the nails look like after I apply all the acrylic, and the color is really pretty. I'm obsessed. I love the color. The process getting there wasn't that fun, but you know, it was good. So I'm going in with my Melody Susie e-file, and you just want to go ahead and get a really good file on this nail. You want to make sure that that smile line starts popping. After a while, you'll be able to see it. And I am using my replacement drill bit from Amazon. I'll have a link down below, but you'll see later that I do switch over to my sanding band, and I'm really just filing the nail really good, because with these smile line nails you're going to be able to see if it's not filed that good. So I'm just taking my time, and as you guys can see, it looks, look at that, that looks so good. So I'm going to go ahead and do that on all of the nails, and as you guys see, I did switch over to my sanding band. But this just, I'm obsessed. I really want to do like some white French tip nails. I just need a good white acrylic, because right now I have the, I think it's from Model Ones. I don't know. I'll put it on the screen if I'm wrong. But I hate it. It's really hard to work with. Maybe I'll try it with the warming up of the acrylic, but we'll see. But you guys can see that smile line just coming out, and it's just popping. And I'm just obsessed with these nails, you guys. I was going to add like rhinestones and stuff, but I was like, no, I want to keep it nice and cute and classic. I still have these nails on right now. I'm looking at them, and I just can't believe this is something that I did. I know it's such a simple style, but just so flawless. So flawless. So yeah, I'm really happy. So okay, I'll stop talking. Okay guys, and these are the nails after I have filed and buffed and shaped them. And obsessed is not even the word. Like, I love these nails. So I'm going to go in with my Valentino top coat, and as you guys can see on like the 3 fingers in the middle there, there's like a line on the nude acrylic, and it's because I did so many like small beads. You can kind of see where the beads met each other, if that makes any sense. You guys see it, right? I probably shouldn't have pointed it out, but I just want to give, again, when you are doing this, try to not work with such small beads like I did, so you don't have that issue. But other than that, flawless, looks very professional. I am patting myself on the back because me, she, her, I did this. I'm really happy with this, you guys. And everybody I show these nails, they're all just like, they look really good. Like, we went to the shop. Like, listen, I'm doing this at home in my living room, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and apply some cuticle oil. You guys, I just love doing this. I don't know, it makes me feel like a professional. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that. This cuticle oil is from Sally's. It's good. It's good for the price. So, yep, I'll have a link down below for you guys. So these are the final nails, you guys. I love these nails. Sometimes I really just have to like look at myself in the mirror and be like, Lima, you're really that girl. Like you need to give yourself more credit. So I'm giving myself some credit, okay? Because these are really good. I'm really proud of these nails. Yeah, let me know down below if you guys have any suggestions for my channel. Thank you all so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.